Today, I'm going to show you a way to lay down a simple graded watercolour wash. There are two things that are going to happen as the wash moves down the paper. Firstly, it's going to change colour from this initial yellow through to shades of orange, as the alizarin I'm adding will change and deepen the tone. I'm mixing a deep yellow using cadmium and a touch of alizarin crimson in a clear glass so I can clearly see the opacity of my mix. I'm using a syringe to gauge the water I need. In this context, it can come down to counting the drops, as you'll soon see. I start by loading the paper. What I mean by this is creating a puddle of paint. As I add more paint, this loaded line of paint simply falls down behind the brush. The paper is tilted top to bottom, so gravity is essential. Now I'm adding just 2 drops of alizarin mix and moving the wash down about 3 centimeters. I keep doing this, adding more and more of the alizarin each time to create the graduation. Look at how it's changing colour. I'm always moving the brush with a parallel stroke and always in the same direction. Now we're about halfway down. I'm adding more alizarin and accelerating the change in both tone and colour. Now that the paper is dry, you can really see the extent of the graduated colour. The key is to create a smooth change in colour and tone. I hope you have enjoyed this video.